Today, we will be discussing about the array implementations of stacks and linked list implementations of queues. In the first program that considers the methods stacks and arrays, the programmers was instructed to create, check, and tick on notebooks. The first choice in the menu would be to let the user to create or add a notebook. The user may create as many as he/she wants. The program then would stack these notebooks, which would also be seen after the user has created a new notebook. The second choice would be the user checking on the notebooks. By means of checking, the program would consider the notebook done. Therefore, the stacks would remove the checked notebook, specifically the notebook that was on top. The third one, which was labeled as pick at a notebook, from the word itself, would pick or look onto the notebooks. It will tell the user which notebook was on top of the stack. The fourth choice would resemble from the second choice, which was check, but doing it in all of the notebooks from the stack. The program also includes a choice where if the user would want to leave or exit the program. To understand much clearly, let us run the program. Here is the coded program. As you can see, the program has a main class with the definitions of the methods. And here, you can see the menu of the program. And now, for the program. On to the next sample, where the programmers were asked to create a program that would consider the methods which were queues and linked list. The program was made for clinic consultations. In this program, the assigned secretary or the user may sign up a patient for an appointment, assign them a room, let them begin a consultation with the doctor, and close all appointments. The first choice would let the patient be signed up or listed for an appointment with the doctor in a form of QU, where in a simpler explanation, first come, first serve. In the first menu, it asks for the name of the patient and its concern. The second choice would be entering a room. Here, the user may designate the patients to enter a room to consult a doctor. In the third choice, begin a consultation, the user would be provided a copy of the information of the patient to use in consultations. In the closing time would be the end of consultation hours of the clinic. Therefore, the made QUs and lists would be considered done. The program also has an exit where the user may leave the program. To further understand our explanation, let us run the program. But first, here is the coded program. As you can see, there is a main class called Clinic, and within it, there is the definitions of the methods. For example, sign up, enter, consult, and close. Here, you can see the main menu. Now, let us run the program. Thank you for listening.